What's up everybody, welcome to Car Question, Matt and
James.
And this week we are driving a real beast.
The Humvee, this classic military vehicle.
And it's a real one, not some kind of H1 Hummer General Motors style thing.
The problem icon?
Yeah, with a lot of electronics problem. It was not the real deal. This is the real deal. Have you ever driven one?
No, my first time actually. I know you had.
Yes.
But I didn't, and I really enjoyed it. It's so crude, it feels old, but this is an actual version that they're using in the military, Matt.
Yeah, but before that, go check in the eye the previous model that I've tested of this Humvee. It was still a creation of V80. This one completely restored is also from V80 over here in Quebec. And believe me, when you're talking about the real deal, this is it. So James, back in the previous video, there were a lot of questions from the viewers, from the fans out there when it comes to military vehicle.
Shoot.
So, what model is that?
This is a M1151. It's from the 11 series.
And you can still see them in service. This was the replacement of the Jeep. And by the way, look at that front grille.
It looks very much like those old Jeeps that you see in World War II movies. And you know what, Matt? They're using Humvees since 1985, and the model is the same. You have different versions, the 998, the A2, and the 11 series, like I said. This one is the more modern one with the air conditioner and everything, every option that you can have in this truck.
But once you get behind the wheel, you can feel that it's a military vehicle just by opening the door, raising the windows, even if there's some heat or AC inside. Well, this is not really a comfortable daily driver, but this is a monstrous, powerful machine, reliable. I think even if alien would attack, it would still survive.
Yeah, there's no computer in the engine, no ECU, so it's all mechanical.
So in the movie War of the Worlds, this one would survive.
Exactly.
Tom Cruise said approve. But James, how about restoring this kind of machine? How much it's going to cost? Because this was a question that we had in the previous video.
If you want to buy one, depending on the version, it starts from $52,000 up to $75,000, and you can customize if you pay a little more.
You can also choose different version, 2-door, 4-door. This is a soft top right now, but they're going to put a hard top on this one. And how about the engine inside?
There's a choice. The 6.2 turbo diesel or the 6.5 turbo diesel.
I want the bigger one. I want the most powerful one. How about the transmission?
It's a 4-speed automatic for this one because it's the new one. And there's a 3-speed transmission for the older one.
But what does it feel behind the steering wheel?
It feels weird because, you know, it's so big, but once you're inside, you're a bit cramped, you know?
Yeah.
And the steering is so small, so basic, you know? And it doesn't have any power, it's just torque and torque and torque. Do you want a fun fact about that vehicle, Matt?
Go ahead.
Good. So this vehicle in military service can weigh up to 18,000 pounds.
Armor with accessories, with everything, even those big wheels and tires. Have you seen how many studs you have on that?
Yeah. It's because it's a bedlock wheel for the military vehicle, obviously.
Oh wow. So besides that, any other fun facts that I should know about?
Do you know that AM General is specialized in military vehicles like this one, but it also produces vehicle for handicapped people?
Okay, what's the link between military and adapted vehicle?
I don't know. Okay. But you know what? It's pretty well known for the quality of that vehicle because it's well adapted for these people.
Well, that's a good thing because some people need some adapted vehicle, and that's
an ugly vehicle too.
Yeah, ugly. Well, we're gonna go for an X design soon, maybe. But James, you know, having this kind of unique vehicle here in Quebec City, rust is an issue. All cars are gonna rust over time. Is it gonna happen the same thing to that beast?
Absolutely not, because there's a CARC paint, chemical agent resistant coating. So anywhere you will go, no rust will be seen.
That's what I like. How about inside? Is it gonna be comfortable for the sound level?
No, absolutely not. But it's waterproof, fireproof, everything proof.
Oh, there you go. That's what I like. Even with some...
Maybe not foolproof though.
No? Biohazard proof or...
Biohazard, maybe not, if you have a mask.
Alien proof though.
Alien proof.
James, I want one. What do I do?
You can go to the VAT website. You have the principal option, the principal model they're selling, or you can come to Quebec City, see the team, or on the other side of the ocean in Europe, because they are both there.
Oh, wow. And look at that. This is one hell of a beast and one fun vehicle to drive. So if you got any questions, comments, or you might want to subscribe to see more, just do that and we'll see you another time on another video of Car Question.